Benvenuti, my name is Fabio. We are here at the Farmers from Italy kitchen. Today we are going to do this sausage ragu pasta. We are going to use this Bowties from Viaggio, imported directly from Italy, and this is all the ingredients. A wonderful crushed tomato, always imported from Farmers from Italy. A fantastic extra virgin olive oil, mantuano, unfiltered, and these are the main ingredients: parsley, onion, Parmesan cheese, salt, garlic, and of course the sausage. Let's start to do this recipe, and we'll see step by step all the ingredients in order. I'm going to start to put some of the extra virgin olive oil. And I put some garlic on the pan. I will add also the sausage, and I start to cook the sausage. I squeeze it, so I let crumble this sausage. When you see the sausage is ready, we can start now to add the onion. Add a little bit more of extra virgin olive oil. I put a little bit of salt, and we wait until the onion start to become translucent. That means that is start the caramelization of the onion, and it's perfect time to add the tomato. Let's put the tomato now, and you see the sauce is ready. It's nice. All the water went out. The salted, perfect. Always do like this when you drain the pasta, because you save some of your water that we needed after for saute the pasta. Always like this. Smash it, see? Now is the best time. The pasta is ready. We can add the pasta right now. Little sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. We saute nicely. Let's put a little bit of parsley. Always put the parsley at the end, otherwise it becomes too bitter on the sauce. So that's what I do at the end. The recipe is basically ready. Let's go to serve on the plate. If you like this recipe and you want to see more, follow up on our social media or at our website farmersfromitaly.com.